Hello, I'm Boody, a graphic designer with 3 years of experience in movie poster design. In this video, I will explain how I make a movie poster. Once I have a concept for the poster, I will need to gather the material. Using design software like Photoshop, I can start creating the actual layout of the poster. This involves arranging the design elements I have gathered in a visually appealing way. Establish a color scheme that supports the movie's mood and tone. Use contrast effectively to make important elements stand out and guide the viewer's eye to the poster. Then, I try to enhance, edit, and manipulate the images. Finally, after I have created the initial design, it's important to step back and review the poster as a whole. Look for any areas that need improvement or adjustments and make revisions as needed. Once I have the layout established, it's time to add text to the poster. This might include the movie title, tagline, cast, and crew information. Easy, right?